Today we're going to replace common Nissan key battery. This particular key is from Nissan GTR, the Legend, but it applies pretty much in all the other models that has this style of the key. So it's pretty simple to replace. First, what you want to do is you want to remove the manual key. So you're going to push this button down and you're going to pull your manual key out. You will use 2032 battery, very common by the way for the key batteries. Small screwdriver, I find it's the best tool for this key. And the next step, what you're going to do is you're going to have two ridges right here. So you're going to pry one side very gentle, and then you're going to pry a second side very gentle, and the key is separated. You don't want to push too hard because you're going to damage the plastic, so just take your time. You're going to remove, and there's two sides to the key. There's a little message here, do not touch, so you don't want to touch the board with your fingers. So leave this down, and here is your battery. Now the plus is facing down, guys, so you want to make sure you reinstall in the proper way. So you want to pop the battery, 2032, and you want to take a new one. So plus is going down. Then you're going to take your remote and you're going to put everything back together. Line up on the groove, and you want to push. It clicks all the way through. You're going to take your manual key, put it back in, and it's back operational. Thanks for watching.